Ever wondered what truly powers the digital world around us? What invisible forces allow you to stream movies, navigate with your phone, or even interact with artificial intelligence? It's not magic, but rather the profound and often misunderstood field of computer science. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating universe of computer science, exploring its fundamental principles, its diverse branches, and its incredible impact on virtually every aspect of our lives. Prepare to unravel the science behind the technology you use every single day. At its core, computer science is not just about coding or building computers. It's the systematic study of computation and information. Think of it as the science of how we can make machines solve problems. It's an intricate blend of mathematics, logic, and engineering, focusing on designing algorithms, developing software, and creating intelligent systems that can process, store, and communicate information efficiently. From the abstract theory of computability to the practical design of complex software applications, computer science provides the foundational knowledge to understand and innovate in the digital age. This vast field is built upon several crucial pillars. First, we have algorithms and data structures, which are essentially the recipes and organizational frameworks computers use to solve problems efficiently. Imagine sorting a million names. An algorithm dictates the fastest way to do it. Then there are programming languages, like Python or Java, which serve as the communication bridge, allowing us to translate human logic and instructions into commands computers can understand and execute. Furthermore, operating systems and networking form the backbone, managing hardware resources and enabling seamless communication across devices and the internet. And perhaps one of the most exciting frontiers, artificial intelligence and machine learning, empowers computers to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions, revolutionizing everything from medical diagnostics to personalized recommendations. One of the most powerful concepts in computer science is abstraction. It's the art of simplifying complex systems by focusing only on the essential details and hiding the underlying complexity. Think about driving a car. You don't need to understand the combustion engine's inner workings to operate the vehicle. Similarly, computer scientists build layers of abstraction, allowing us to create incredibly sophisticated software without rebuilding everything from scratch each time. This principle, combined with the power of automation, has driven exponential progress. Remember, the first electronic computers filled entire rooms. Yet thanks to brilliant computer science, devices thousands of times more powerful now fit in our pockets. This incredible miniaturization and increase in capability, often linked to Moore's law, is a testament to relentless innovation in optimizing computation. Beyond the technical skills, computer science cultivates a unique way of thinking, known as computational thinking. This isn't just for programmers. It's a problem-solving approach that involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts, called decomposition. It teaches us to identify patterns, abstract away unnecessary details, and design step-by-step solutions or algorithms. This logical, analytical, and systematic mindset is invaluable in any field, fostering creativity, efficiency, and critical reasoning. Whether you're optimizing a business process, designing a city, or even planning a vacation, the principles of computational thinking provide a powerful framework for tackling challenges effectively. The real-world applications of computer science are virtually limitless, deeply embedding themselves into the fabric of modern society. In healthcare, computer science powers medical imaging, accelerates drug discovery, and enables robotic surgeries. In finance, complex algorithms manage trillions of dollars in transactions every day, While blockchain technology redefines security and transparency, entertainment has been transformed by computer graphics, virtual reality, and sophisticated gaming engines. Education, transportation, communication, every sector has been revolutionized. Looking ahead, computer scientists are at the forefront of tackling grand challenges, developing sustainable AI, securing our digital infrastructure against cyber threats, and exploring the mind-bending possibilities of quantum computing. Computer science isn't just shaping our present, it's actively building our future. So, whether you're building the next viral app, pioneering a breakthrough in AI, or simply trying to understand the technological world, computer science provides the fundamental language and tools. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving field that champions innovation, logic, and creative problem-solving, making it one of the most exciting and impactful disciplines of our time. What do you find most fascinating about computer science? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give this video a like and subscribe for more content that demystifies complex topics.